Hello, please come in. Who is not feeling well?
Hello, doctor. My son isn't feeling well.
Oh, I see. What happened, Allie?
Doctor, I have a headache and my throat hurts.
Okay, do you have a fever too?
Yes, I had a fever last night.
Are you coughing or sneezing?
Yes, I am coughing a little.
All right, let me check your temperature. It's a bit high. How long have you been feeling this way?
Since yesterday morning.
It looks like you have a throat infection. Don't worry, it's not serious.
Will I have to take an injection, doctor?
No, no injection. I'll give you some syrup and tablets. Take them on time and get plenty of rest.
Okay, doctor. I will make sure he takes the medicine properly.
Good. Here's your prescription. And Allie, drink warm water and avoid cold things, all right?
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Get well soon.